Hey everybody! In today's video, we are showing you how we can download and play the PUBG on our PC, whether it's the official PC version on Steam or the mobile version using the LD player. So let's just get started. So you can download PUBG through Steam. So you can find it on Steam. If you do not have Steam, you can download it and open it up on your particular screen. And that should be the particular interface you should be finding. Now if you want to go ahead and download the PUBG, you just need to look out for the search and search for PUBG and look out for the one that you would like to download, for example the Battlegrounds. And once you do so, you need to enter your birth date to continue. So I'm just gonna use my birth date, and you can select this option of view page to view the download page right here. And there we go. Now here you'll be finding the description of a particular application itself and even the video. You can look it out if you want to do so. And all you gotta do is select this option of add to library or download it. So you can just go over and select this option of add to library, or you can directly add it to your cart. And once it is added to your Steam library, you need to go to the library option and you should be finding the PUBG Battleground here. So I can just select this option of install here, and you need this much space to play it on PC. So select this install option and you can select up where you would like to install it. Once it is done, select this install option right here and you need to accept the terms and conditions. Click on accept. And after that, it should start downloading. You can see the download right here. It may take about some time depending upon your device's internet speed and the storage itself. And once it is downloaded, you can just go and log into your account and start playing the game on your PC very easily that way. So that is it, everybody. This is one of the easiest methods available if you'd like to download PUBG on PC. Whether you want the full PC version of PUBG, you can just go and follow this method. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe.